right, so we're gonna look at this one. It's we're gonna be saying way oh way yo way oh way, and I will type that in. Way yo. I guess type it in like this. Way yo. So we want to really use the Y. It's the alternate vowel, and you're going to use that to slide. So there's more wayos than what I wrote there, but it gives you the idea. We're going to go 1 5 3 8 5 3 1 1 and 8 being the same note. That's our octave. Way oh way oh way oh way. So you're saying way yo way yo way yo way, and you're sliding through your registers. Feel like nice, like kind of a swinging motion. You can use your arms. You can walk around your room. So I'm going to demo it a little bit, playing it. I might move around a little bit and stand up just to show you that, yeah, you can even disappear off. I can't see you, but you can see me. But let's try it. Way away, away, away. Whenever I shift the notes, you breathe. Way away, 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 and breathe. Way away, away, away. Way away, away, away. Way away, away, away. Can you keep going on your own? See if you can dance it around your room. And way, way, away, 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 and breathe. Way away, away, away. Way away, away, away. It might turn into a yaw on the top. Way away, away, away. I'm gonna do this one a cappella. So we're starting on that A. And I'm just gonna open that camera up. Way away, away, away. Breathe way away, away, away. Now here, G. Way away, away, away. Way away, away, away. And any kind of movement that helps you. Way away, away, away. Way away, away, away. Way away, away, away. Just teasing, but you never know. Way away, away, away. Way away, away, away. And another nice one is just give it a nice roll down. And roll up through your spine. And you can even do that on singing. Way